Okay, so members, in this lesson you're welcome. We are going to see now what we mean by a tree diagram or tree diagrams. We are going to see cases when we are picking out something from a box or a bag, but with replacement. Okay, so tree diagram, we are going to have specifically picking with replacements. Tree diagram can be used to generate sample spaces that can be used also to solve problems. Picking with replacement means that the total number of items does not increase, reduce, or decrease, i.e., the total number of items remain the same. Why? Because what you pick, you put it back. What you pick, you put it back. So the number of items in the bag or anywhere, they are not going to decrease. They are going to remain the same because what you take out, you put it back. Okay. Another thing is, from the tree diagram, we multiply outcomes from the same root. We are going to say the tree diagram has roots. So we are going to always multiply items from the same root. And if the outcome is from more than one path or root, we add them as we are going to see. So members, now we have here a question. A box contains 3 red pens and 4 blue pens. If 2 pens are selected at random without replacement, find the probability of selecting when we want red pens, pens of the same color, pens of different color. Okay. So from there now, I said let red be the red color, let it be R, and B be blue color. So in the box now, I'm going to assume that this is my box. In my box, I have 3 red pens. So I have 3 red. Then how many? I have also 4 blue pens. So 4 blue pens. So now what is my total? The total is when we add this and this is that we are getting 7. So now they're telling us that if 2 pens are selected at random with replacement, why do you search random? At random means you don't look like just put a hand there and then you select. From that box, find the probability and so on. Okay, now when we pick up, I'm going to be picking. You know, when we are picking, there are chances. I can either pick a red pen or a blue pen. So if I do like this means I'm picking a red pen. If I don't pick a red pen, then there are chances that I'm going to pick a blue pen like that. So this one, in the first picking, remember I'm picking 2 pens. So the first, I can either pick a red one or a blue one. So if I pick a red one, it means that now, this side, I'm picking red the first time. So it's going to be now, there are 3 chances of picking a red pen from 7 pens. Then when I pick down, if I don't pick a red one, then I can pick a blue. But there are 4 chances of picking a blue pen out of 7. So this one is the first picking, the first pen. So the first pen I can either pick a red one or a blue one. When I pick up, it means I'm picking the red one. When I go down, it means I'm picking a blue one. So on the first pen can be a blue or red. So this one, the first pen. Remember, I'm picking 2. Now, when I pick a pen out of that bag, this is what I'm going to be remaining with. Now, remember, when I pick it, I replace it back. Meaning, this number is not going to reduce. So, if I pick red, I'm going to put it back. So, they are going to make 3 red pens. Here, I'm not picked anything from the blue. Then here, what I have is, when I pick 3 red, when I pick a blue down, I'm going to put it back. So, they are going to remain 4 blue pens. The total is still at 7. So, it will be 7. So, essentially, the replacement, the total does not reduce. So now I pick the second pen. So the second pen, I can pick here a red one or a blue one. A red one or a blue one. So here I pick a red one. So when you pick up, you are picking red. So I can pick 3. There are chances, 3 over 7 chances. Then pick a blue one, 4 over 7. Then here, 3 over 7. Then here, 4 over 7. So now you see that here, I have, these ones are of this one I'm picking red only. Here I'm picking red for the first time, then the second time I can pick a blue one. This means that I pick here blue, then I also pick blue the second time. Here it means I pick, this one means I pick blue the first time, then I pick red the second time. So that's the tree diagram for that question. And then we can come to these questions. Selecting two ready pens. So now probability, number one, probability two ready pens. So two ready pens, you see, it's going to be two ready pens. It means that I picked on two ready pens. So here I picked one, here I picked it, meaning I'm going to multiply this times this. So that's how I can pick two ready pens. This is the red the first time, then this one is also red the second time. So this is two, this is the first red, this is the second red. So it's going to be 3 over 7 times 3 over 7, which will give you, this is going to be 9 over 49. And that is the case we have there. And so we can reduce that. Then number 2, pens of the same color. Now pens of the same color, here remember we have red first time and red the second time. Here we have first time we picked red, then the second time we picked a blue. Then here we have first time we picked blue on the first picking, then red on the second picking. Here we picked a blue on the first picking, then red also on the blue on the second picking. So this one means first time we picked red, second time also picked red. This means first time we picked red, second time we picked blue. This means first time we picked blue, second time we picked red. This one means red, blue. So same color as that, here we are picking the same color. Two pens here. When I go here, this was red and this was red the second time. Also here, black the first time, blue the first time, then blue the second time. So probability of picking the same color, we have either we are picking red and then or we're picking the blue. So then here my probability, same color, is going to be, now I'm going to be having to say, if we, along the same path, we multiply. So I'm going to multiply 3 over 7 times 3 over 7. Then plus. Then this one's on different colors. The same color, this same color but red. Then this one same color, but this time blue. So 4 over 7 times 4 over 7. We multiply, so this one is going to give us 9. Then plus this is 16 over 49. And so the LCM is the same. This plus this, we are going to be having 25 over 49. So we come to number 2 and then 3. Probability pens of different colors. Probability pens of different colors. Pens of different colors. Now look at this. Pens of different colors. Different means, you see here we have red, here we have blue, so they are different. Also here we have blue and red, so they are different. So you can say it's going to be now probability of this, probability of red one, the second time we picked blue, then plus probability the first time we picked blue, then the second time we picked a red one. So this is going to be now. Now for this one, we move like this, 3 over 7 times 4 over 7, then plus. Now for this one, we move like this to this reaching. So we have, then times 3 over 7. And you see up there, we have this and this. We have 12 over 49, then plus also. And this that way we add. we get 24 over 49, the same LCM. The other way you can do this is alternatively, the probability of picking same color plus probability of picking different colors. The colors is going to be 1. So we have the probability of picking the same color as 25 over 49 plus probability of different colors will be equal to 1. So probability of different colors for me is that will be 1 minus 25 over 49. And so that one is going to give you 24 over 49. So that's how we can handle that to the answer. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.